going to be going over the top 5 things to check before you start your lawnmower for the summer season. And that would be, first of all, checking the oil level on your lawnmower, checking your fuel for making sure you have the proper fuel and that the condition of it is in good shape. Checking the air filter on it, making sure it's clean and unplugged, and how to go about cleaning it or replacing it. Also checking the blade condition on it, making sure it's sharp, straight, and if it does need to be replaced, how to go about doing that. And then all the lubricating points on it. And also checking the deck height. Those should be the top 5 items to check before you start mowing the first time out of the season.